Young World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. I wanted to go over my updated merch. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Young World. Now, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you stroll down and you look below this video, you will see a column where you see all of my YouTube store merchandise. And I went ahead and updated my merchandise, and I just wanted to go over, some of the updated pieces. I created all of these pieces myself, and I just wanted to show y'all some of the updated pieces. There's a lot of new pieces coming, but these are so far all of the approved designs that I got out right now. You'll be able to see them under this video, but I wanted to go over some of my favorite designs and just show y'all, what we working with. So first design I like a lot is this Young World X original shirt. They come in 3 different colors. We got a blue color, you can get it in black, you can also get it in white. And this style shirt, this is a premium fabric, a very high quality material right here. It's kind of like a dry fit material. It has cotton, polyester, and spandex within this shirt, so it's the same material designer shirts are made with. But yeah, it's a very nice quality shirt right here. See the Young World logo with the original right there. Then on the back, it's a big world logo for y'all, for the world. But yeah, man, I like this shirt. This shirt right here is going for $68, and yeah, it's a premium quality shirt, man. Heavy weight fabric, premium soft feel. So yeah, these shirts are very high quality, man. They come in 3 different colors. You can pick your color and your size for that one. And I also made a shirt for my second channel, the 420 World, the best strand channel on YouTube. We got this one comes in, but I got this one just in black and white, but it got the 420 World. It's like a 3D print logo on that with original right there. And then this one also got the world on the back, right? This one going for $58.99. It's made with the same material, the premium fabric, tri-blend, polyester, cotton, spandex. Real good fibers on that, real good fabric on that, man. And then you see on the white version, you can see how the logo pops out more. The 420 World logo pops out more. We got the best merch on YouTube right here, man. This is all designed by me. We got some more designs coming out. I'm just taking more time working on this, And this one, again, $58. And we also got, the original, just a plain original shirt. We got that all white. You can get it all white. You can get the blue off the red. I like that look. It's hard. That's a nice look. You could do a lot of fits with that. This one also come with the world on the back. All, printed, high quality printed. Teespring is a print on demand service, so when you order it, it's shipped out within 3 to 4 business days. But very high quality press print, high quality images. I made sure I got the right fonts and the right quality of image, the right sizing, so everything looks good on the printout. And these are the best quality shirts you can get on Teespring. That's what I got, right? And we got the Own the World tee. I like this one also. It's a smaller world with Young World in the corner. Then on the back, it's like a 3D world, that pops out. I like that. This one comes in black and white, depending on how you feeling. I like both, I like both of the colorways. We got that in black and white. And then we also got a hoodie. We got the 420 World hoodie. We got some more hoodies coming out too. Some more hoodies about to come out too. But this the 420 World members hoodie right here. Yeah, man. So, oh yeah, then we got the original Third Eye. This my exclusive shirt right here, exclusive design, you know, for the tapped in members, for the originals, you know, the chosen ones. $260, man. It's a premium shirt, man. I know only a few of these gonna be sold, but you gotta be a member to get one of them. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man, we got some of the best merch on YouTube right here. This shirt alone, bam. This shirt alone gonna sell over 10,000 units by this time next year. I'm gonna just put that out there. But yeah, it's your boy. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. This is my updated merch. It's one of my favorite pieces right here, the Yon World original. You know, men and women, you know, can get this high quality premium tee, you know. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. That's my video on the updated merch. I'm out. Peace.